our first time pulling into our new garage. And the truck just fits.
Just barely.
Sneak peek number 1 of you. Oh, it's so pretty. Hey guys, today Joshua and I have a super exciting announcement. We're moving! We've actually mentioned this in quite a few videos recently that we're moving, and this has just been like such a fun and exciting thing for us and something that we've wanted to do for a really long time. What is up with this dog?
Dude, the camera's this way.
You're facing the wrong way, buddy. This way. Joshua and I just got the keys to our house last night. So this is our first time actually being in the house.
Yep.
Dude's first time being here at the house.
This is
and
Dude's
he
first time here.
Loves it. So we'll have to share with you guys like some clips of him like when he first walked in, but he loves it. There's so much more room here. Judy, are you ready to see your new house? Good boy. Judy, what do you think of your new house?
This is yours. Come on. Come on. Good boy. It's your house. It's our house. Good boy.
Oh, so much room. Oh!
Hey. Hey. That's yours right there, dude. That's all yours. That's yours only.
This whole entire process has just been really crazy, like kind of unexpected too, and we've seen like God's hand throughout this whole entire thing. We're just really thankful for this house, and we can't wait to share with you guys just so much more stuff in this house. There's a lot of things that we're probably going to want to redo, you know, and like change up. We're gonna change up paint colors and maybe eventually do some other things, but I mean, this was a big purchase, so we're gonna take our time with things and just really enjoy the whole process and stuff. So yeah, we're excited to share with you guys an empty house tour, which we're gonna film like
And the reason we
now.
moved. I know a lot of people were wondering why we were moving.
Yeah, a lot of people have asked.
Just because we were renting before, and we thought it was the perfect time to buy a house for the future, for future family, just for our future, and for entertaining, for hosting. It's something both of us really like to do, and we just couldn't do it very much in the size of the house that we were in before. And this has a lot of yard space, so that'll be nice for sporting events that I like to host, and Dude, really the dude. It's a nice neighborhood, sidewalks and everything,
Yeah,
so Dude will be able to
the location
go for
of
walks
this
and
house.
stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much why. We just thought it was the next step in our life that we were gonna take. We prayed about it, and this is the path we're on. Stay tuned for the next video, because that'll be the empty house tour, but this one, just enjoy the sneak peeks of the house, some of the exciting things to come.
There was one more thing I wanted to mention. A lot of people asked for a tour of the other house that we were living in. I feel like I had pretty much done little tours. Babe, I feel like I had pretty much done little tours of everything, because I did a makeover almost on every single room, like on our kitchen, my office, our living room. I feel like I basically showed the whole house. Like, it really wasn't a big house. So I don't know if you guys would want to see an empty house tour of that house, like once we officially move out. Do you think?
Sure.
Maybe. I don't know. If you guys go like wild on the likes, maybe we'll do that. But if not, we'll probably just do the empty house tour of this house, and I'll link videos down below of other rooms in our old house if you guys want to like see tours or anything of our old house. So now we're gonna go film our empty house tour, so make sure to keep a lookout for that. Make sure you're subscribed and you have your notifications on, and we're just so excited. We hope you guys are too. So make sure to give this video a like. Leave a comment below. Let us know what you guys are excited to see in this house.
Also, if you have any video ideas that you want to see in 2018, let us know.
Yeah.
Put those in the comments of this video here, and we'll be sure to put those on the list.
For sure.
Any stores that we didn't hit in 2017 you want to see?
Shop with me videos. Definitely more house type stuff.
There will be those.
Yeah. So we will see you guys really soon in the next video.